Hello techies, this is CompTIA TestOut Lab 14.8.8 and we are going to analyze a DDoS attack. So you are the CompTIA IT administrator. Your company team says that CompTIA customers are unable to browse to the public-facing web server. You suspect that it might be under some sort of denial of service attack, possibly a TCP/SYN flood attack. Your www_stage computer is web server is on the same network segment as your web server, so you will use this computer to investigate the problem. In this lab, your task is to capture packets from the network segment on www_stage using Wireshark. Analyze the attack using the following filters: tcp.flags.syn equals to and tcp.flags.ack equals to 1, tcp.flags.syn equals to 1, and tcp.flags.ack equals to 0, and answer the questions. So we'll start up right away. The first thing we want to do is to go into Wireshark, and we go to EMP2S0, and let's see what we have. Let's maximize this so that you see what I'm doing clearly. So let's go ahead and stop this, and let's go back to the task. So here we're going to type in tcp.flag.syn equals to 1, and tcp.flags.ack equals to 1. Let's see what we have. Okay, so we have the destination here. Okay, we have the destination here, and here the destination here. tcp.flags.ack equals to 0, and let's see what we have. So here are the details. This is the destination, and we'll go over and answer the questions. What indicates that this is a distributed denial of service attack? There are multiple sources addressed for the SYN packets with destination address 192.198.28. Alright, so we'll go ahead and score lab, and this is a pass. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Reach me through my email if you want to discuss anything, and join my professional membership for more videos and labs that are not available here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.